up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I'm going to teach you the choreography that I make today. To be honest, I don't know the title of this song because this is a remix, but I'll try to put here. Okay, so let's start. Ready? We're gonna walk 3 times going front. So when you walk, make sure you cross. Okay? Make sure you have space on this one. So imagine you're wearing high heels, 6, 7, and no hand on 2 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the third, use your hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Close. In. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, very good. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Very good. By the way, when you do this one, make sure your elbow are close to your body. Don't do this one. You look like you're cooking something. Here. Then inside your body and tap, tap, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's continue from here. 7, 8, go close. 1, put your weight on right, overhead, hook, side. 6, go 7, 8. Wrong count. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Close on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Very good. Let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close. Open. Overhead. Right. Left. Tap. Tap. And 8. Very good. Move back. So from here, 7, 8. Okay? Let me see. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close. Open. Overhead. Right. Left. Tap. Tap. 7, 8. Next. From here, you're gonna move out. Right to the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. So when you do this one, lean back. 4 and 5, 6, back. 7, 8. Like you do walk, but not small. 8 and in 1, 2, 3, walk on 4 count. 5, 6, 7, close on 8. One more time from here. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. That and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue from here. Almost. You're gonna pull it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay your left. You can go lower if you want. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Continue. 2, 3. Hips. 4. Slowly. 5, 6. Chest. 7, 8. 1, 2. Very good. Let's try from here. 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and boom. 2, 3, 4, 4 count. 5, 6, 7, low. 1, 2, 3, 4, low. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hips. 4, 5, 6, up and 8. 1, 2. Yeah. Last 8. bend, turn quick, and 8, pose 1, and go up on 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So this is 2, 1, 2. Remember, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Good job. So let's try everything from the beginning. Super slow. Well, not super slow. In the middle. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close, open, overhead, and half, cha, cha, 7, 8. Slowly, 1, 2, close, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Up, boom, 2, 3, 4, at least 6, 7, and full, 2, 3, low, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hook, chest down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting fast. 6 and 7. Turn. Boom. And yes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my video. Okay, and also if you have songs or dance that you want me to